Hi everyone. Hi, good evening. So we are live again here. As you know, all that we started with our series on mental health awareness, and today we have Priya here with us. Priya is a psychologist and she is a energy healer, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so Fitzies, we will be covering today's topic is busting myths on depression, and this topic is very relevant if you talk about today's day and age, and it's a need of hour. And Priya will be taking this session, and Priya is really good at this. Priya, could you please introduce yourself more?
Yeah, sure.
Could you please tell us
Thank
more
you
about
so
you?
much. Thank you so much, Nirupama. Thank you, everyone, for joining in. Good evening. Let's begin. Um, I'm a psychologist. I'm Priya Sitaraman, psychologist and a counselor. I'm certified in psychotherapy and basics of hypnotherapy as well, and a spiritual energy healer. So that's my calling. In fact, it's a very recent, it's close to my heart. So, what I
Nice.
basically believe in spirituality and psychology, which I combine during my therapeutic sessions. So, that's what I do.
Sup-
Yeah.
Super प्रिया सुपर प्रिया when we talk about depression, सबसे
Yeah.
पहले तो दिमाग में ये आता है, this is a disease and we should not talk about this to anyone. Otherwise, people will say think that we are mental, or maybe, you know, in this society, we don't take it as a great thing that, okay, depression is a mental illness.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think about that? How people
Yeah.
should take this as a acceptance? I mean to say, how people should accept
Yeah.
that this is really very critical illness, as compared to, not as compared, as we take other illnesses seriously, like
True.
thyroid or heart disease, and it's equivalent to that.
Yeah, true. Yeah, I would like to begin with the basics of understanding about depression, the insights about it. So, I would like to just take you through a flow.
Yeah.
What is
Yeah.
depression? What are its symptoms? And then I
Sure.
hope it'll be very clear to the
Yes.
viewers as
Yes.
well. So, if we just start, usually stress, anxiety, and depression is all interchangeably used in the modern days. But depression in itself is a mental illness. So it is as good as important as your physical sickness or your physical illness. So
Correct.
it's a mood disorder. So it's nothing but a mood disorder. So there are many causes to depression. If you just see, there are biological, genetic influences there. There are, stress-related symptoms that also lead to chronic stress leads to depression, and also there are other physical illnesses like thyroid or hormonal changes, basically with women, hormonal imbalance, when we say so, these also contribute to depression like symptoms, because when anyone is feeling like depressed and depression itself, they both are not similar, so they both are different. So अभी क्या ऐसा हो गया कि when we feel not good about anything, so we have this habit of calling ourselves as I'm feeling depressed.
So
So
I
that's
mean,
not
when
actually.
yeah, so same thing when we say that depression is the same as being sad, or it's a different.
It is lot more than that, the sadness. So that's what I'm coming to. So when we say anybody is just feeling depressed, because आजकल ये बहुत ही very common हो गया that
Common, I mean, yeah, it's just like
feeling
we are having
depressed.
headache,
So,
we are depressed.
yeah,
It's the same thing.
so
We are having
that's a
headache
myth
and it's a
again.
depressed.
That's a myth
Yes.
again. So when I say I'm feeling depressed, it's just your upset feeling or your sadness. That's it. It's nothing to do with your clinical depression. So that's why we are bringing this topic. As you said,
It's
it's
a myth.
very relevant in today's age and time to know what it is, because बहुत लोग को इतना awareness नहीं है, because
नहीं
mental
है.
illness is not only about depression. There are many more disorders. There are many more illnesses. I mean, the list is lengthy. It's
Lengthy.
on. It's long.
So it
But
means that
depression is one.
myths में होता है ना कि depression is all in your head.
Yeah.
Is it true?
That is another myth. It's a misconception. So I'm just coming to that. Let me go through in a flow. So first we are understanding what is depression. In simple terms, if you say it's a mental illness, let people understand it's a mental illness. It is a serious illness, but can be treatable. It is treatable. It can be cured. But जो stigma around it है, there are many stereotypes around it. So that's what we are busting it today. That's what we are trying to clear out. So it's a mood disorder. So when you go to, we also understand that I am feeling depressed. If someone says, yeah, you're feeling not okay, so you're empathetic about it. So you just lend your ear and hear it out. What's wrong with you? That's nothing to do with
Correct.
actual clinical depression. So there's a lot of difference. So I'm coming to that again. So what is depression? So if you say it's a mood disorder, as we understand, and the symptoms are like persistent sadness, persistent being upset, persistently for more than 1 week, more than 2 weeks, if a
Okay.
person, he or she is suffering with extreme fatigue or always low in energy, or your sadness or hopelessness, don't feel like doing anything at all. Even getting
Okay.
out of bed sometimes becomes very, very tough for them. I mean, doing the normal daily course, daily activities. So everything becomes very, very struggling and very difficult for them. Even severe depression may suicidal thoughts होते हैं and suicidal tendencies. I mean, they go into that extremity of attempting to suicide. So these are all severe depression symptoms, and even it starts from mild to moderate to severe. So that's how it prolongs. So mild depression symptoms are same, but the intensity differs in mild to moderate or in severe depression, and the treatment also varies for जो category में anybody falls into it. If they are suffering from mild depression, okay, psychotherapy helps, counseling helps, or any kind of
Nice.
cognitive behavioral therapy that helps. If for people in moderate to severe depression, you must refer them to a psychiatrist. So antidepressants has to be taken along with your psychotherapy or any kind of counseling session. So that's the way to go about. So I'm coming to that. Let's go in detail about it. So coming back to the meaning or definition of depression is also the symptoms what we've just seen. उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा irritation होता है and severe aggression. So aggression is also coming under the moderate or severe depression, whoever is diagnosed with. Otherwise, it's extreme fatigue and other stuff. Whenever these kind of symptoms, it happens on a day-to-day life, day-to-day consistently, persistently it is there for more than 1 or 2 weeks time, then definitely there is something wrong. uh, uh, One, to self or to others, whoever you are looking at, the people around you. So if you just look at someone, people suffering from for more than 2 weeks time, so you can offer some kind of about how to go about it. We're going to see in the next
So,
thing,
Priya,
how to
when we are talking about this depression and the sadness and
yeah,
anxiety, when a person is anxious and the sad, you told us that there are different stages and different phases when we get
yeah,
depression. But
yeah,
how do you differentiate about the having an anxiety and the depression? How anyone like any individual can relate that he is suffering from depression, because he
okay.
may think that he's just sad, maybe he's not feeling good about some incidents that happened.
Hmm.
So how one can differentiate
Yeah.
between
So,
anxiety and depression?
correct. So, see, let's start with the stress. The basic, it's
Yes.
quite common and it happens with everyone, each and everyone. अभी
Yes.
आजकल बच्चे भी बोलते हैं, children are
I'm
getting stressed out.
not getting good
So,
marks, not getting good marks, and maid नहीं
yeah,
आ रही है, लॉकडाउन में घर बैठे हैं, this
बहुत कुछ,
business अच्छा नहीं जा रहा है. I mean, there are stress
international
is
work,
very
this is
common word
everywhere.
to be used. एक दिन में
Very
बच्चे
true.
परेशान कर रहे हैं, तब पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब अस,
Yeah,
वी आर under stress.
I'm stressed.
ऊंचा
Yeah.
मत बोलो, we get stress. Yeah.
This is
This
quite
is a
common
commonly
these
used.
days.
Yes.
Yeah, commonly used term
Yeah.
as well as, and people are experiencing. It's not false. It's not
Yes.
wrong or something. It is. Even stress may be positive and negative stress here. Positive stress is only that there are sometimes butterflies in your stomach when you're preparing to deliver something, or it's just momentary.
Good
It just
feeling. Yes, it's
happens
a momentary.
only for a short, limited period of time, and then it just goes away. It's called the overwhelming response. So it's nothing to do with, okay, I'm just feeling a little nervous. So it's only situational. But when it comes to negative, like stress, let's understand what is stress to start with. Stress is your bodily reaction. It's a response to any threat like situation, anything from outside, from the environment, any kind of life challenging situation, anything. For example, COVID, for example, even the daily chores of whatever activities, when it is
Correct.
not under expectation, when it is going something beyond your expectation, unexpected something, trauma, I mean, extremities like divorce or loss of a loved one, or even accidents or life challenging illnesses, lifestyle illnesses, diseases. So the list is endless. But these
Correct.
are the external environmental situation which is happening in our lives. But what we do to it, how we receive that, how we respond to a particular situation, so that's the stress response, how we act. So immediately we start to feel panic, we start to feel
Yes.
nervous, or we start to feel angry, or frustrated, or irritated. So the mostly stress and anxiety are also interchangeably used. I mean, it's quite common, but they are little different. Indifferent in the sense, stress is your reaction to something. Okay, how you are responding to particular situation. Yeah, and anxiety is a feeling. Anxiety is a reaction to the stress. So when a
Okay.
stressful situation is happening, I'm becoming nervous. I'm getting panic attacks. I'm getting very much irritated and frustrated. I'm getting too much anxious about, I don't know what to do with it. I don't know how to deal with it. I don't know how to go
Correct.
about it. So those are your reaction to a particular stress response. So that's the difference. So the basic, very common, the underlying
Uh,
difference when you say.
Correct. So, Priya, when we get to depression, is it related to any trauma happens in the past, or any is it particular related to that trauma only, or it can happen to any individual in any circumstances?
Yeah. Okay. So we've just seen what is depression and the symptoms of it. There are many causes, as we've already discussed.
Yes.
Like there are emotional disturbances, biological causes, genetic, and even your hormonal imbalance or thyroid related. So those
Yes.
also mimic your depression symptoms. So whenever one knows for sure that when you are first and foremost is they must consult a psychiatrist or a psychologist or a psychotherapist or a counselor. So these are the mental health professionals who are equipped, who are knowledge, you're authorized, certified to deal with depression patients in general. So I'm a psychologist and a therapist. So when I've been counseling over since the lockdown. So I've been counseling over phone. So telecounseling is happening. So when I feel that somebody is having severe depression symptoms, so I must refer them to a psychiatrist. So
Psychiatrist.
psychiatrists are the ones, they're the doctors, they are the ones who can prescribe
Medical.
antidepressant.
Yes.
So we are not authorized to prescribe. So we can only
Correct.
do the counseling and the therapy. So these are the basic common, little bit myths and misconceptions about how to go about. I mean, बहुत लोग को ये भी नहीं
तो
पता है
ये
कि
बताओ कि डिप्रेशन जब होता है, like as an individual, I may not feel like going to any professional because I'm not aware that I'm suffering from depression. So any family member or any friend, how they will come to know until unless other person will not share that what he or she is going through? As a
yeah. So
family member or as a close friend, how can we
right.
identify the symptoms? You
Yeah.
told that they may not like to do daily household chores or may not like to get out of bed. What else? All are the symptoms lead to the same to each and every individual, or there are different symptoms altogether?
No, underlying basic symptoms same hota hai. Whenever you want to identify, so that's why we are doing a lot of awareness programs these days. I mean, I've been doing many live sessions, and this is all to do with awareness. It's a long way. There's a long way to go, and awareness abhi bhi nahi hai. People are
नहीं
reaching
है.
out. People are posting everywhere that I mean, उतना तो बात करते हैं, but as a
एक्चुअल
depression
प्रॉब्लम नहीं
patient,
समझते, बिकॉज एट द होम घर पे क्या होता है ना, इफ समवन इज फीलिंग सैड और नहीं हो
yeah,
रहा, उसको दे विल से ओके यू विल बी फाइन, इतना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, हो गया
right,
ना, मूव ऑन. दे जस्ट
yeah,
डोंट टेक इट सीरियसली. So
seriously,
that's
and
the reason
people
I'm
don't know.
asking. The people don't
People
know,
don't know.
and
Yeah.
that's the reason. So how my question is, as in layman, मैं घर पर हूँ, मेरे family
Yeah.
member में किसी को है या friend है, so how I can identify? Maybe I can
Yeah.
think that normal lazy हो रहा है क्योंकि आजकल लॉकडाउन में कुछ करने को नहीं है.
Hmm. Yeah.
नॉर्मल उसका
So
मूड
I
अपसेट
think,
ही रहता है हमेशा, ये तो है ही ऐसे, ये डिप्रेसिव ही है, ऐसा होता
yeah,
है ही ऐसा, ही इज अ नेगेटिव पर्सन, उसको
yeah,
जब बात करो नेगेटिव ही करता है. सो हाउ
yeah.
वी कैन हेल्प दैट पर्सन देन?
So there are two questions which you just asked me. One is to किस किस को होता है, how to
Yes.
whether it is related to only trauma or हर किसी को होता है. So I would like to answer both in together. I mean, first to your किस किस को होता है. Yeah, depression can happen at any stage of your lifetime. Childhood may, as you're growing up, or in your 30s or mid 30s, any stage of your life, irrespective of any kind of situation. So, as we said, there are a lot of things. It's a chemical imbalance which is
Yes,
happening in the
imbalance.
brain. So, imbalance happening in the brain. So, it is your mood disorder in short form when we say, but there are a lot of physiological and emotional things attached to it. So, yeah, it's not that it happens, it is not gender specific. It happens to anyone that we all been seeing quite often. And also that, it is not something to do with your personality trait. ऐसा नहीं कि because there are many questions I've been encountering these days during my counseling sessions, और कुछ doubt है तो हर कोई मुझे phone करके पूछते हैं कि whether the person is, if he or she is an introvert or an extrovert,
Yeah.
only if depression happens to them. No, there is nothing. It's also a myth. It can happen to anyone and everyone. Okay. So I mean, even therapists also undergo, some kind of low feeling, but we know how to come back and rejuvenate ourselves. And then it's not that doctors undergo depression. ये ऐसे ही एक चीज है. Like for example, allopathy doctors. Okay, एक doctor है. Doctors are suffering from COVID and they are dying of COVID disease. So it's not that
Correct.
doctors will not get COVID, or cardiologists will not get a heart attack, or
Correct.
neurologists will not get any. So it is the same like your physical illness. It's the same way to be treated like any illnesses, any
Illness.
doctor, how you treat, how you see them. So that's again a
Correct.
myth. ऐसा नहीं कि ये डॉक्टर ये इनको कैसे हो गया. So we
इनको
can't
कैसे
question
हो
that.
गया?
It's
So
a it's
coming
a
back to the
human
question
body.
that friends
Yeah.
and family, how we will identify that our near and
Yeah,
dear ones is
yeah,
going
that's the
with the
second question. So
depression
I'm
and
coming to that.
yeah.
Yeah. So as I said, these are the common basic symptoms in a person. Persistent. When I use the word persistent, one can be watchful to identify with the self or with the surrounding members or your neighbors. It could be your friends. It could be anyone around you, your family members se leke, child se leke. So anyone. First, to identify with the self, whether I'm dealing with depression or I'm depressed or not. So anything, whatever you're passionate about doing something, okay, you're an artist, you're a musician, or it could be you must be multi-talented, you could be anyone, okay, a very superwoman or anyone. But sometimes when these kind of symptoms happens, it will be persistent. It will be consistent for more than 2 weeks. When it prolongs for a longer time, that's when,
Then
okay, it's time for action. So that's when, because our body is a very beautiful mechanism. You as a nutritional coach, wellness coach, so you must be advising your
yes,
clients that listen to your body.
listen to you.
It gives
Yes, yes.
alarms and signals, right? So it gives
It
you,
gives signals, of
warning
course.
signs.
Yeah.
So
It's just
we
it's
don't
just that
listen to
happen.
it.
Yeah, it just that happen. We take depression as a weakness, and then we
Yeah,
feel that in case we will, you know, we will talk about depression that we are going through, then people may judge us. They may think that we are weak person.
right.
The
So
way we
yeah,
say that, the way suppose I say that, Nirupama, I'm an influencer, and maybe people know me and people just see my all good work, and if I talk about my low feeling, if I talk about that I'm going through stress, what people will think about me?
yeah. So that's the
That stigma,
judgmental
that
thing.
fear, judgment. Yeah.
Stigma is there, the judgmental, the bias, stereotyping.
Yes.
So these are all the stigma which has been around. It's not only now; it's been since ages. So it's been
Yes.
built up over a long, long period of time, more decades time. The stigma has always been there. So right now, like-minded people, so we are taking it to the forum. You are creating this awareness program. Many such other, community leaders are coming up with the programs like, let's take it to the larger audience to create
Yes.
that awareness to end the stigma. So, what is the stigma here? So, one is about being judgmental, one is about we don't even know how to deal with. Okay, I have close friends. When I share with them, they don't know what to talk to me, or they don't even know.
Yeah.
I mean, how to understand you. And if you just say like, it's your weakness, so that's again a myth. So it's not your only your weakness, or we feel shy or we feel fear to talk
Yes.
about that I'm feeling depressed. Okay, so these are the stigma around. This is why we are coming up with a lot of creating awareness sessions to take it to the larger audience. Let's end the stigma, so stop the silence, the stereotype around depression in itself, because we are losing many lives. We have
We are
lost so
losing.
many lives due to depression, because ये ऐसा
Correct.
कोई चीज नहीं है. It is treatable. The
So
right
how we can,
time,
yeah, correct.
the
So
right
how we
time.
can comfort a person who is suffering from depression in the
Yeah,
initial stage, I'm saying.
yeah, yeah. So once you identify, okay, now we know what to identify with. So as I said, anything to do with more than 2 weeks time, you don't even feel like doing your passionate work. You don't even feel like doing art or music or whatever you are good at, whatever you used to love. So उसमें भी मन नहीं लगता है. उसमें भी we don't even feel like putting our heart out. So all these things, like typically getting out of the bed. I just want to include here because I have also fought clinical depression many years ago. So I've
Oh,
been very, many. I mean, now at least there is a lot of awareness. Those were the days nobody could understand me. Nobody, I mean, whatever you said is absolute truth. That they used to look at me like, oh my God, you're silly. I was a very
yeah.
professional. I was a successful woman in my professional life. They could not even believe that. Are you crazy?
That you
What
can
are
do
you
it.
saying? So they used to just, even my family members, even my relatives, even my siblings around, nobody never could understand that I'm dealing with depression, or these are my symptoms. They just call me with all the labels, but I did not stop there. So I went ahead. I met a psychiatrist. I was under psychiatric
Oh,
treatment,
nice.
and then I
So
took
more
that.
power to you. Yeah, yeah.
I took that willingness. It's also to do with a willingness. Of course, I want to end this. I want to. No, I don't want to suffer. So nobody wants to suffer with depression. So nobody wants to. That's a very believe me, because I've gone through that. So it's a very crazy feeling. It's a very severe thing. So I've gone to that extreme case of I was severely depressed, because
Oh,
I've also taken the
it
psychiatric
takes
help.
courage to accept that you have been through all this.
That's what I'm coming to. So,
Yeah.
one is about the acceptance, and second is about do not feel shy. So, whoever, if you are feeling depressed or you are feeling something is not good, right, take that momentary action. Listen to your mind. As we say, listen to your body, listen to your mind that something is not right, but it's okay. It is okay to be not okay.
That's
So,
my
you need
favorite
to
thing.
take
That's my favorite hashtag. I use that. it's okay to be not feel okay, and the same to do what makes you happy.
Not
So
okay,
don't
yeah.
yeah, not okay.
Yeah,
It's
and
very much okay.
move on, move on. So
Yeah.
it's very, very much okay, because if I feel, let people call me, let people call me. I crossed that barrier. I mean, many years ago, I put that, I took it as an icebreaker. So I started sharing my story in many, many forums. I'd never felt shy. So I
It's
took that because
inspiration. Yeah. Yes.
I'm making it a point here because I want more people to come out, and I'm doing a campaign also. I'll talk about it in the end. So I want more people, so that will be like an encouragement, because as a patient now, I'm a therapist, so I know what to talk about. So I've dealt with depression myself as a patient, so I know what I can relate very well with
Relate with
anyone
depressed. Going
dealing
with
with
it. Yeah.
depression. So I want people to understand and relate. Okay, मैं कर सकती हूँ तो आप क्यों नहीं?
आप भी कर
If I
सकते
can do it, why can't you? So why can't you just
Correct.
come out of that shell, come out of that comfort zone, and speak about it? So that's the campaign is all about. I speak up, like how we had Me
Okay.
Too movements, and also that's a movement I'm working on now. I speak up because
Great.
you have to. We don't. Our health is our responsibility. Your mental health or your
True.
physical health. We cannot ask anyone to do something for me, for my goodness. So we can only look up to people. We can only watch some inspirational videos. Like you're creating a wonderful videos every quarter. I'm a big fan of you, I must say, because
Thank
I'm
you.
too much into the fitness. Every day I watch your. मुझे देखना ही है वो सब.
Thank you so
I
much,
often,
Priya. It's just see,
I
it's
often
just that we are trying to create such kind of a
true,
awareness to love
true,
yourself. It's very, very
right,
important to love
yeah,
yourself. Be it in
yeah,
any way, as you told, that is, as you mentioned, be it any hobby or any creative
yeah,
work or maybe fitness,
correct,
health, cooking, anything. It's just that
yeah,
is our we are creating our comfort zone, we're showing people that this is the way we are keeping
right,
ourselves mentally and physically fit during this pandemic.
true,
This is
true,
most
true.
important thing. Yeah.
This is very important. So ending the stigma. So that's why I'm saying we have to motivate ourselves to come out of the shell first, speak and ask for help. So there are many now. I mean, those days, I when I was going through. I mean, it was like psychologists को बहुत ढूंढना पड़ता था. So there weren't many
Yes.
psychologists available. There weren't any more counselors available. Abhi
I
every
think
nook and corner you
every
have.
look at and also we were not aware about the difference between a psychologist and psychiatrist.
Okay, yeah,
For the
yeah.
mental
So
for the mental illness mental thing, we used to go to the psychiatrist only, and
correct, correct.
with the fear of taking medications and all, people have stopped
True.
going because they actually wanted
Yeah,
counseling.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Actually, yeah.
before going to the psychiatrist.
Immediately you don't have to jump to a psychiatrist, because
Yes.
psychologist के पास जब जाओगे, whoever you feel like okay, you fix up, you search for a renowned one, you search for good reviews, and end up going to a psychologist or a therapist or a counselor. It could be anyone. So once you start your sessions, so they will analyze and tell you whether you need
Need a
psychiatric help or not,
psychiatrist.
whether medical
Correct.
help is required or not. Because as I said in the beginning, mild to moderate depression can be treated only with the therapy, only with the lifestyle changes, only with the counseling sessions. But
Correct.
only in severe cases, you might have to take those antidepressant pills, the mood stabilizers. So these are the pills they prescribe. So only after they will refer definitely, because it's a life. It's somebody's life. So you can't just risk anyone's life
Risk
that saying,
anyone like.
I will cure you. So nobody can say that. So their duty, responsibility lies in referring them to a psychiatrist only if there is a need. So you don't have to
Correct.
immediately jump to a
Correct.
psychiatrist.
Okay, Priya. So, in case we have family history of depression, in case any of our family member is depressed, can we
Yeah.
have it too?
Yes, you can have it, but the chances are it's like 30%, 25 to 30%. There are, as I said, the causes, if you see the biological, the genetic causes, sometimes it is there. Though it's not 100% proven, but there is a possibility. You can be, okay, if you know for sure somebody in your family have dealt with depression, so you can take all the precautions how you can overcome, how you can deal with it much before as a preventive measure. So that is possible. So it's not necessarily that you will definitely go through. Even if it is there, you will be able to come out of it sooner. So it'll be only a mild, very short-lived symptom. So the one of the causes is the genetic cause. The other we've already seen, the hormonal imbalance, or more women are susceptible to
Yes.
depression, it says. But men are more likely to commit by when they are depressed, because they also have this stigma. I don't want to talk about it. Women are
Because
at
yeah,
least
the
now.
same thing. And in last session, we talked about that male always want to pretend they're a very strong person, and they don't
Yes,
like to share
they
their
are not.
feelings,
Yeah,
being
they are not
judged.
actually. Yes,
Yes.
they don't want to be judged. And specifically, if you just see, most psychologists are, I mean, it's again a stigma, it's a stereotyping thing. We are,
It's a
again, there is another,
stereotype.
yeah, so
Yes.
there is another group which is working towards men empowerment and
Yes,
gender
Andy.
equality. So there are
Yes.
many groups which is coming up. So if you just see, okay, एक psychologist के पास, एक lady के पास मैं क्यों जाऊँ? So again,
Huh.
the ego factor comes into place, and
And
it's
why
also
I share my personal things, maybe I will be
yeah,
judged. Maybe I'm
yeah,
going through some financial crisis, then I will be judged that
right,
I'm not strong enough. I'm, you know,
right, right,
that.
right.
But
But
guys,
this
it's
judgmental,
absolutely okay. Again, we are giving the same message
yeah,
in this session as well. It's
it is
absolutely okay
okay.
to not feel okay. So please start
Yes,
sharing. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं, अगर आपको हेडेक होता है, बीपी होता है, आप जाते हो डॉक्टर के पास में. So please take it
same
as
way,
a same
correct.
illness only. Okay.
Yes.
And it's
So जैसे
absolutely
आपने
okay, especially professionals, वो judge नहीं करेंगे आपको. If you're not
correct,
comfortable
correct.
feeling sharing it with your family members or friends, please seek some help. Right.
Yeah, you've rightly said. As you treat your physical illness, it is equally the same way you must treat your mental illness as well. It's just your
Yes.
mental illness. That's also part of your body. Why do we, see it always in a separate thing? So it's part of your body. So when बुखार होता है, तो whenever
हाँ
we are
जाते
down
हैं
with
ना, तो
something,
इसमें क्या
तो
प्रॉब्लम
जाते
है?
हैं ना. So वैसे ही एक थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाना है. तो बस they are anyways,
हाँ.
they are destined to listen to you. They are
Yeah.
for
Yes.
that's their job. That's their duty, responsibility to listen to you and offer you some help. Like, okay, therapy offer kar rahe hain. So it's a very, in fact, I would just say one more thing, that it's not that we as a therapist or a counselor, we are going to offer you solutions. No, we're just facilitating the entire process. We're going to work together. So we will give you worksheets. So we will give you all the
Oh.
homework to be done. So we will make you do all this. So we are in touch with you. There are many follow-up sessions. Even the sessions cannot be committed immediately that, okay, you will get better in so many sessions. No, it is customized, of course. Each therapist will offer you, each psychologist will offer you different, they will, it's a multitude approach. They will just put in front of you, okay, ye karenge. So it's going to be every week follow up. And then you have to make it a point that you are doing that. You are following whatever the therapist just told you to follow. So
Okay,
it's a
Priya. Got it.
combination.
So there's a last question I'll say. In case any
Yeah.
person talk always about negativity,
Hmm.
like मेरी लाइफ में ये हो गया, मेरी सास ने ये बोल दिया, my husband is like that, my kids are not doing great. So how we can help that person?
See, it's to do
Because
with your,
that is a symptom that can lead to any state of
yeah,
depression. Can we take
yeah.
it that this person is depressed? That's the reason they are always talking about the negativity
Uh, no,
or
I would
negative
like to
life. They're not
disagree
accepting the
here.
life the way it is. Because this
No,
has happened with the most of the ladies, especially with the
yeah,
ladies. They always script. They
yeah.
always script that this has happened,
So
this has happened, this has happened.
that's to do with your personality trait. But again, when you just say that acts as an influencing factor, not necessarily that when I am an introvert, I will definitely be depressed. No, extroverts ko bhi depression they go through. So they also go through. So it's irrespective of any gender, irrespective of any personality, be it a strong woman, be it a positive thinker, optimistic person, pessimistic. So it can happen in anybody's life. It is only not only to do with any kind of trauma. It could be anything. many a times what happens, chronic stress. Okay, that's what I would want to make it a point here. So one is about your brain imbalance, your brain chemicals imbalance. Neurotransmitters ठीक से काम नहीं करते हैं, so that's why you're facing this mood disorder and to do with your everyday life. So these are the depression symptoms. But there are also other reasons like deep within chronic stress, which is been suppressed over a period of time, over a long period of time. Chronic का मतलब यही है ना. So chronic pain, when we refer to, it's not been treated for a longer time. You've been ignoring it. So you have not dealt with it. So that is chronic. So chronic stress जब भी होता है, so it leads to anxiety and depression. So when a person, as you said, described like cribbing करते हैं, ये करते हैं, not necessarily that you will end up only in depression, but if you are depressed, the impact will be more. The influencing factors, okay, if I'm a positive person, let's say, for example, I have that courage and strong will to come out of it and fight for it, okay? That's my trait, if you, for example, if you see. So I want to end this, I want to break this, and I want to fight it over. So I had that will. So if I was not an extrovert, or if my trait was a different thing, so it will even more suppress them. So that's the only difference. So it's only to do with हर किसी को होता है, हर स्टेज में हो सकता है, कभी भी हो सकता है. Anyone and everyone can face in different stages of their life, but how we can deal with it, what is the way to go about, these are the symptoms and this is the way to go about. Seek some help from a mental health professional. And this is one part. Okay, there are myths, as we said, that we've also dealt with the myths part, misconceptions, that it's not your madness, it is not gender specific, and it is not anything to do with labeling. So label karna hai, to that's what we're creating awareness about. So we need to end the stigma. That is in our hands. It's all our responsibility. It's an appeal. So I'm working on
It's a
this, as I
social
said.
responsibility as well. It's a social responsibility. It's
Yeah.
not a person, but social responsibility as well.
True. So
Right.
as a group, as a larger audience, if we just take it to the mass, take it to the on a larger scale, definitely we can bring in some change. As I mean, there are
Yes,
many
of course,
changes
together we can, especially we are part of such a beautiful community. And in
Yeah.
case if anyone says that they want to do some kind of social cause, they should start from home itself. They just look around. If you see such kind of symptoms in your family and friends, and please, we are aware that you are not professional. At least take them to the any professional. Because
One more.
for the chronic depression, we will not say that okay, comfort your friend, say talk about this, and because you're not professional, you don't know
You're not
what to
professional.
suggest them. Yeah.
Correct.
Okay.
So another thing I would quickly, do we have time? So,
Yes, we have time.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So another important thing, as we are just talking, so I would want to add here, when we okay, किसी को है हमारे घर पे है, so we always say that look around, these are the symptoms. So when somebody is going through more than 2 weeks time, so always offer help. While offering help also, you must be very cautious, be it self or as a third person, what we are doing, what we are talking to them. One very most important point here is just be a listener. Just be a empathetic listener. Do not offer them any solution at all. In fact, in my one of my posts in the campaign, so do's and don'ts मैंने लिखा है उसमें misconceptions उसके बारे में. So what I'm trying to say here is, since I have dealt with it myself, because उस time पे वो भी होता था. When people are telling me, okay, it's all in your mind, okay, you can change it, and
you're strong and you can change it.
You can change it.
Strong word तो ऐसा है ना हमारी सोसाइटी में strong कर
you
करके
must have come across. You must have come across many such jargons or phrases
many. In fact, during my counseling as well, Priya, in fact, when I get these clients with me, I get such clients that postpartum, post-pregnancy, they actually lead to the depression because they don't accept their bodies, the changes in their bodies. that there are
Yeah.
different level of depression which we cannot
True. True.
relate at all. How can a
Yeah.
mother, how can a mother can say this, that she's not liking her body, however she is
Yeah.
so blessed that she gave birth to a child? People
Yeah. That
just
is
cannot
another type.
relate with this thing, and that
Yeah.
lady
There
would
are.
never speak out because of the fear of the society, that people
True.
will
True.
judge.
True. Yeah. So there's another, what do you say? Postpartum depression is another type. Peripartum is there during pregnancy,
There are
during
so many.
childbirth.
What I mean to say,
There are
just we
so
don't
many.
speak up just because of we being judged. I think
Correct.
this is the major part, that
Main,
we
yeah.
being judged. I think during our conversation, but I am feeling it very strongly that, because we get judged, that's the only reason we don't speak about this,
Okay. So
for
now
the fear
that is
of
very
being judged.
true. Yeah, it's been there since ages, as we've already seen. Okay. For example, now we are in a community, we are in a live session. So there are 10 odd people watching us. Let's say, for example, those, this is a community. Now we are aware what to do, what not to do. Okay. These 10,
Correct.
let's make it as an appeal thing, pledge not to judge others,
Not to judge
and then
others.
multiply. So likewise, it has to
That's,
spread.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
not
It has to
easy.
be.
It's
The
not
moment,
overnight.
yeah. I
It's
think we
not
can start
overnight.
this
It's a long way.
good
So
campaign that let's not judge
yeah, let's
people.
not judge, because that is very important. अगर हम चार को बताते हैं, so we know, okay, this is, even if we make an impact in one person's life, transform one
That's
person's life, that
yeah.
will multiply. So that's a real great thing. So
Of
what
course.
I'm again coming back to the thing. So when you were just offering some help, okay, you don't even know whether it is mild or moderate or severe. So unless a therapist can, but you know something is not right with this particular person. But when you're committing to yourself, to that person, okay, I am there. I'm another point here is there are two things which one must look at it here. When a depression patient, okay, when somebody is suffering from depression, so you don't expect them to come out immediately and speak to you. Okay, for example, you and me are very good friends. So you found me as very depressed. So you want to offer some help, but you don't know. You also hesitate, and you don't. You also
Yes.
don't know how she will take it, or how will I, reciprocate, or I mean, there are so many ifs and buts. So you also hesitate. But if you want me to come back to you and see that this thing in you, so I want to share it with you. Let's ask ourselves that whether we have created that trust factor, whether we have given that confidence to that person for them to come back to me to share. Because depression symptoms जो भी patient suffer कर रहे हैं, so it's all to do with your trust factor. That's where it starts.
Correct.
Maybe
Correct. Correct.
when
Correct.
somebody is not given that trust, how am I
Yes.
supposed to, that's where the judgmental thing starts, that's where the labeling thing starts. So
Label
when
states.
I'm
Yes.
sure, or damn sure, 100% sure that he or she is there for me, then I try to open up.
Okay.
And you also have that comfort zone. Okay, you can start, you can share with me. Okay, definitely when there are, when they are going through mild, moderate to severe depression symptoms, whatever you're going to say as take it light, it's easy, and be positive, be optimistic, motivational videos, they go, these are the things which you are supposed not to do. This is a don't, because never we
Okay.
should, yeah, this is not to be done, because these things does more harm than good. We must be thinking, okay, if I say this, they will quickly, they forget everything. It's not working like that. It's your brain chemicals which has been impacted. It's to do with your mind. So it's not that easy. Immediately आप किसी को ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. So just be a listener. So if you're offering some help, that's the appeal. Again, I would leave it in the group that ask yourself this question, whether you have created, be it your family friend or your it could be your neighbors, or it could be anyone, so people around you, you want that person to come back to you, please always ask this question, the trust factor. Otherwise, start building that trust. It's never late, better late than never. So start
Correct.
building that trust, start giving them all the comforting things. So listen to them empathetically without uttering a word. That's the main thing. And
We
then
would
once we
listen. Yes.
start to share everything, then you know, okay, something is really not right. You also offer that, let me refer you as therapist, let me refer you a psychologist, I know somebody, so she or he or she is very good. So why don't you consult? So you will definitely come out of it. So that's all what one has to do. So when you're
Correct.
offering as a layman, any person, so this is the best thing that you can do to bring in that change who is suffering from depression. So that's the
Great
yes,
information, Priya, and I will be happy in case we able to make change in two or three or
true.
one person here
Yeah,
in this
correct,
community.
correct.
I think we will say that our session is like really fruitful.
Yeah,
And I believe I can't see many questions here, or maybe
okay.
we are not logged into Facebook. Okay, guys, if you have any query, any question related to
Yeah,
myths or for depression, please put it up and we will reply you back here because I can't see
yeah,
many questions here, or maybe
okay,
we are connecting to some other app. Okay.
okay,
And so
okay.
thank you so much, Priya, and
Thank
thank you
you.
so much for a beautiful
Thank you,
session.
thank you.
It was
Thank you,
quite
Nirupama, for
informative.
creating this platform and thinking about, mental health awareness honi chahiye. You've really done. I definitely appreciate from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Gratitude.
so much.
And let's
And
together, as you said, let's together
let's
make some
together,
change.
yeah,
So
change this
very
world. That
important.
our mission is this
Yeah,
only. Let's make this world
yeah,
a happier place and fitter place. And mental health is the one
very
thing
true.
which seriously I want to take it up. Every
Yeah,
week we
yeah,
will be coming with a very nice topic. If you have
yeah.
some topic in your mind that you want to know about that particular topic, please write back to us. On this note,
Yes.
thank you so much once again, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.